albatross soaring high, wings wide. Bluebird in flight, see them glide. Cardinals red, a vibrant hue. Doves cool, a peaceful view. Eagle's eyes, keen and strong. Finches chirp, such a sweet song. Goldfinch yellow, bright and bold. Hummingbirds dance, a sight to behold. Ibis wades, its beauty does shine. Jay's soft feathers, blue and so fine. Kingfishers dive at water's line. Lark's melody, its song divine. Magpie's treasures, a clever heart. Hear nightingale's tune right from the start. Owls hoot deep in the night. Peacock's plume, such a stunning sight. Quail's call, soft and light. Quail's call, soft and light. Robin's red as it takes flight. Sparrows chirp, effortless and free. Titmouses perch high up in the tree. Umbrella bird's feathers look like a crown. Vultures soar high above the ground. Woodpeckers tap on trees so dry. Xenops perch on trees so high. Yellowhammer's call is quite defined. Zenida dove's coo is gentle and kind.